Hey everyone, let's clear the confusion around Lumiverse and find out if it's really the ultimate projection mapping system, or just another overhyped gadget. First up, what is Lumiverse? Well, it's not that $50 projector you saw on social media. Lumiverse is a professional-grade software platform built by LM3X, and it comes baked into their high-end hardware, like the LAZR projector line. Think massive outdoor installations, building facades, festivals, not movie night in your living room. The features are wild. We're talking real-time 3D mapping, seamless edge blending with multiple projectors, and AI-powered content adjustment. Plus, you can literally control everything from your phone or laptop anywhere in the world, thanks to their web-based app and SIM card connectivity. Want to update your art installation from a beach in Bali? No problem. So, is Lumiverse legit? Absolutely. LM3X hardware is weather-resistant, super bright. Some models hit 20,000 lumens. And the software lets you do things like scan surfaces, create custom masks, and even manage content remotely. You can add interactive layers too. Imagine your audience scanning a QR code and changing the visual in real time. But here's the deal. This is serious tech. Lumiverse is built for professional use. It's durable, remote-friendly, and AI-ready. The downsides? Well, it's expensive, proprietary to LM3X hardware, and you'll want to know at least the basics of projection mapping to really get the most out of it. Buyer tip: only buy from lm3x.com or their official partners. If you see a Lumi projector for $100, that's a low-res toy, not this pro system. Lumiverse is for mapping big buildings, not binge-watching Netflix in bed. Bottom line, Lumiverse by LM3X is a top-tier solution for anyone serious about projection mapping. Just make sure you actually need it, because this is not your average